It was told to us during the SR recognition and awards night. I think that is for maintaining the Hall of Excellence for the past 10 years or more. What is our response? Our response is to reorient among our members, the resident members, the true spirit of being an impact. Meaning we have to refocus ourselves what really an impact is. Redirect activities, refocus activities so that it will not sound redundant. There are changes in the activities because that is the need and call of the times, and sometimes changes. So we have to keep ourselves abreast of what is happening or what are the activities that are supposed to be done in order to help the less fortunate and the marginalized people. Impact is born for everybody's information because of community service. Increase the recruitment strategy by instituting changes in it. Establish strong linkages with the alumni sponsoring organizations if necessary. As we celebrate the 20th anniversary of the organization, these awards are only half of the awards. The awards from 1987 to early 90s are in the old apartment. It was not delivered here. These awards started, I think, less than 10 years. So one of the problems of the organization is where to put these awards. Remember, boss, that the first award we got was the big trophy, which is our first Hall of Fame award. Taller than I am when we received that. Because the outgoing president was boss, I was the incoming president at that time. And it's there. We have the trilogy. Remember, boss, during your time we had the trilogy in from Romblon, made up of marble. It's there. So these are only examples of our awards. And for the information of everybody, we are not included anymore in the competition. Because we are occupying a certain status where it is unbeatable. There was one organization who was placed in there, but after 2 years, did not make it. So that's the honor circle money. That's the honor circle, because the honor circle at that time is is a close rival naman of impact as far as the non-Cali Space organization, the Cali Space organization is concerned, together with the Rodeo Club and Ranchers Club, and the Society of Animal Science. And the Society of Animal Science was suspended or So we hope that we will continue our organization, and I pray medyo is one of the reasons maybe is because hindi na rin masyadong natutukan ng mga advisors kasi yung mga advisors nabigyan ng iba't ibang positions. So but the challenge is not on the advisors, but the challenge is on the officers and the members. You should wait that next year, on the 21st, we will have a full house, alumni homecoming. It's a matter of coordination and communication with our members. Their impression was why we have only few in numbers. Maybe the reason was we did not give or we did not. One of the problems maybe is that on coordination and communication. But on the alumni part, it is our responsibility to attend the alumni homecoming. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, sabi nga ni Alfred, that's correct. And also, these people have been very supportive to the organization. Nakakatawa sa 20 years na dito sila, kahit itong araw nagtatarayan kami nagtatarayan. You know, it's correct when Manette said that we always have disagreement, but at the end, we disagree in order to agree. And we always come up with good activities. Walang meeting na hindi nagtatarayan, walang meeting na hindi kino-question ang mga activities, kaya tumatag ka pag ikaw ay project coordinator. Everybody will ask questions, but you see these people who are asking questions are people who are concerned with the organization's activities. And we made it. 20 years is something, isn't it? 20 years is something. If we didn't give our utmost help and cooperation, if we are not impact, maybe we didn't make it. Because the founders were not around anymore. The challenge really is posed to the resident members. They designed the organization beautifully and meaningfully for us, and it is in your hands that will continue the quest for quality service, dedication, and excellence to the community people we serve. Thank you very much.